So, what's up mga ka-beauty? Kumusta po ang lahat? Ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng Arabic food sa Luna de Judge. And now, I'm frying a potato cut into cubes but a little bit big because para hindi siya madurog. And then, after that, hinango ko na ang ating patatas. Nagpisa na po ako dyan ng ating sibuyas and the seasonings. Ayan, just look there down below on the descriptions, guys, what is the main ingredients. So I put now tomato paste, ayan, at ating imekos-mekos and the hot chili, guys. But I just cook the hot chili in a little minute, guys, because para hindi siya masyadong maanghang. Hanguin ko din yan mamaya kasi meron tayong mga batang kakain. So ayan, because this chili is a very hot, guys. So ayan na nga ang ating ingredients dyan, guys, is Arab seasoning, and I was putting sugar. That was a half cup of a coffee cup, or the small coffee cup. And ang ating minekos-mekos na naman dyan. And so, ito na nga po ang binabad nating chicken. Ilalagay na natin. Minarinate ko muna, guys, ang chicken bago tayo naggisa-gisa ng ating mga ayan. And then, I put it on now on the soup ingredients. And so, sa mga ang ingredients ng ating minarinate, guys, na chicken is, that was a chicken I cut into small pieces for about, I think it's 8 pieces. That was a whole chicken, guys. I put it seasonings, Arab season, and we have here laurel leaves or basil leaves, and of course garlic powder, tomato paste, and black pepper, and just read the description, guys, for the main ingredients. Ayan. So, I remove already the hot chili para hindi po siya masyadong maanghang. And so, ayan na nga. We will cook this chicken for about 30 minutes, guys. And before we cover, we will put hot water of how many water we'll put here, just above the chicken, guys. O po masyado maraming tubig kasi ang iluluto po natin is wala po siyang gaano sabaw. Kailangan siya ay magiging malapot. So ayan, minikos-mekos na naman natin siya, at bago natin siya takpan. We will wait about 30 minutes, guys. So, ayan na nga po yung hinango natin na fried patatas natin kanina. And we have here coriander leaves. And we have here yogurt. This will put if the chicken already finished. So, ayan. I'm just checking out if the chicken is already done, but I think it's not yet done, so I just mix it again. So ayan again guys, the chickens are already done. I put a yogurt already and mix it, and then I put the fried potato. Pwede rin nyo rin siyang, siguro pwedeng lagyan din ng carrots guys, and hot chili, and the coriander leaves. Yan. And for about 5 minutes, cover for about 5 minutes, and then turn off the fire. And so that this is now guys our product, the Saluna de Judge. This is Arabic food that this food is they eat with rice, and if you don't want rice, you can eat this with the bread also guys. So
Palagi click, like, comment, share. Your love is everywhere. Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Mundo ang ating ligaya. From the Philippines, thank you so much. USA, you're giving me love. Germany, Norway, Canada too. This song is dedicated to you. India, Pakistan, UAE, Middle East, your family to me. Jamaica and everyone around. Let's make this happy sound. Thank you, thank you. Salamat sa'yo. My beauty family, let's do the show. Raise your hands up high tonight. We're shining too.
guys, and want to have a good day, let's go here on Black Beauty Official Vlog, and this channel is for entertainment, cook, and for food, and of course life learning. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.
Good morning, Budoy.
Good morning, madam.
How you sleep last night? You like to eat egg? Eggs? Yes, madam. I like. Okay, I will cook you. Budoy, I will cook you?
Yes, madam.
I will cook you fry or I will cook you boiled?
I'm not hungry.